To take off your current latch bracket, all you need is a 7/16 socket or wrench, and these two bolts here will take off your latch bracket. When installing your new replacement latch bracket, just finger tighten it so you can adjust it. As you can see here, it is finger tight and it is still adjustable. To make sure the position that you should have it adjusted to, put the tailgate in place and latch it down. Now that your tailgate is in place, you can position your new latch so that it fits right over the tailgate. So just tighten your latch down until it is in the correct position, and now it is ready to tighten down. To tighten it down, all you need is a 7/16 wrench, and then on the other side, once you get it a little bit more tight, you can use a flathead screwdriver along with the wrench.